Today's airgunning video is brought to you from the studio of Papa T Adventures. We hope you enjoy. Good morning, family. Welcome back to Papa T Adventures. Got another air ups for you. This one is pretty special. What's in here came from Derek. Derek's Adventures. If you haven't checked him out on YouTube, I highly recommend it. So, we got a couple of things from him. Nice and packed well. Start off with these are just bonuses I didn't specifically pay for, but getting them anyways. Idaho Air Gun. I only recently heard about them, so check them out. Pellet Shop. So some cool stickers. Walnut and Steel. Know all about nibs. And another Pellet Shop. So we got some stickers. Pellet Shop Pellet Saver bracelet. Pretty cool. Looks like an iron sight for probably one of the guns. And then 3 10-7-7 speed loaders. Now what you're about to watch me open, I promise, is not a 10-7-7. Papa's not gone CO2 any more than the ones you guys have seen. Alright, next up. Nice bubble wrap. And a beautiful, beautiful leather case. Our Year of the Pumper March gun. This is, here we go, read it right off at Crosman 130. So, this is it came in 2 editions. The first year or two came with walnut grip and handle. Then they swapped the handle, pump handle, to metal there. So we'll look at this more. Looking forward to enjoying this classic old Crosman pumper pistol. And absolutely beautiful case to keep it in, which I appreciate. But sit this down. Obviously 10-7-7 magazines are going to mean nothing to that. So what's in the box? What could it be? Let's pull out this air gun with me. And there we go. Not a 10-7-7, but instead Benjamin Wildfire. This is a PCP. Bill port there. Fiber optic front sight. The rear sight goes there. I had a feeling that that's where I'd find that went. Magazine down here. Put that safety back on. This is a multi-shot. They technically call it a semi-auto. Some argue it's not technically semi-auto based on the way it works, but it's just as fast as you can pull the trigger technically. PCP, one of the early ones. We are going to have to do a rebuild on this. Came in knowing that ahead of time, that it's got a leak. So we'll get it sealed back up. We'll get to enjoy this. Obviously not a pumper, but it's going to be a lot of joy. Looking forward to trying it out. Thanks, Derek, for the opportunity to get to enjoy these. And I look forward to getting to show them off on the channel so we can all enjoy them. Anyway, family, thanks for stopping by Papa T Adventures. We'll catch you next time. God bless and take care.